Hello, I'm Angeline Ong and welcome to your look ahead to Friday, the 8th of March. Now, it's all about jobs, but before that, we've got numbers out of Germany. Industrial production is out there, and also the producer price index. This will be key to figuring out whether inflation pressures are coming off or still remaining sticky. Just showing you the euro versus sterling at the moment, because there has been a reaction on the 5-minute charts after the ECB kept borrowing costs at record highs, as expected. But they took the first small step towards lowering them, saying inflation was easing faster than it expected and only a few months ago. What is also key is giving you a wider look at this chart is whether or not we're going to see the ECB move first or the Fed first in cutting interest rates, or might they go in tandem? Of course, all that has implications for the euro, which brings us to Q4 GDP growth numbers as well. This is the final print, no change expected quarter on quarter. But really, the big story will be the jobs number out of the US. Before that, we have unemployment rate numbers from Canada. The consensus for February, 5.8% after 5.7% the previous month. Now, as I mentioned earlier, it's all about that jobs figure, and just bringing up the Wall Street chart for you, and also further along, I'll show you the dollar, because the Dow Jones Industrials, also known as Wall Street on the IG platform, has been tracking higher. That melt up still in play there, as you can see, and that jobs figure will be key. Jerome Powell earlier this week sticking to his message. The jobs market is resilient, and we will get a rate cut in the coming months still, but it is data dependent. Now, if we get a really strong reading for that jobs figure on Friday, then perhaps that will give the Fed more ammunition to hold and stay pat on interest rates, and that, of course, will have further downward pressure on the dollar. It is really quite key, this figure, and we get that tomorrow. We'll be breaking that with Charlie Morris from ByteTree.com at 13:30 London time for you. Until then, that's it for now. For more market moving news, we'll be back on Beat the Street at 13:30 London time to give you a heads up to the US trading day. IG's Jeremy Naylor will be on at 7:30 on early morning call ahead of the European market open. Follow me on Twitter at Angeline Ong. This is IGTV.